Hello, user testing community. It is Mike McDow once again from the solutions consulting team here at User Testing, back with a very special Thanksgiving edition of the tip of the week. So it's Thanksgiving week, which means we've got something coming up the day after Thanksgiving, which, as we all know, is Black Friday. And in a lot of our businesses, that's a huge, huge day. Now, I know we've done a lot of planning already, but we're getting ready to execute. And we definitely need to figure out if we've got any problems before Black Friday, before we execute, before we leave the office on Wednesday for the Thanksgiving week. So here we go. So I'm going to minimize myself here, and we've got our template gallery pulled up. If you have not seen these yet, we've got these Black Friday templates right here: cart abandonment, online purchasing flow, recent in-store experiences, and understanding shopping behavior. We've got a couple of these things. You want to get these used, run a couple of studies before Black Friday to make sure that everything's working, that you understand what people are looking for, that you understand their behavior, so that you don't sit there halfway through Friday wondering, like, why is none of this working? Coming in on Monday and having to answer for like the biggest shopping day of the year, and it didn't go well because we didn't actually test things to the fullest extent that we could. If you run these studies, you're going to get the results back in a couple of hours. There's plenty of time to get feedback and make a couple of tweaks if you need to before the weekend. So it's quick. It's a short week this week for a lot of us, but I know, especially if you're in retail, this is a huge, huge day for us, for our customers. So making sure that we're doing everything as good as we possibly can is super critical. And these templates in the template gallery for Black Friday will help you do it. So get into the template gallery, start running these templates. I want to see a bunch more template usage for Black Friday this week. If I start looking at some of my own customers' accounts, I hope to see some Black Friday studies being run. I want to make sure you guys are as successful as possible. That's the goal of user testing, is make you as successful as possible. So that's going to be it for now. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'll be back again in 7 days with another user testing tip of the week.